What do we have over here? See this building sticking out of this mall here? Gee, I wonder what's inside. Well, let's go find out. Alright, here we are.
If you want to do it yourself, that's fine. I might. Wait a second. I'll show you in a little bit.
Okay. Wow. Is that the Gulf Mill Mall in Niles, Illinois? Yes, these are original. Casito. Look at that. Let's go to D. Barely touch it. Wow. It's run almost perfectly too. We're in the basement. Look at this. Look at that. Barely touch it. Does that looks another one? Oh, I guess not. We'll take this one up.
There you are.
Heading up?
Meet you upstairs.
Okay. These are really, really cool. Take a look at the call button. Mine just left me.
Oh boy, did it really?
Yeah. Oh, and we got a bakelite button for the closed door on this side.
Really, these are fun. It's really sad that they're about to go.
We got a photo of the COP here.
Yeah,
These are really cool.
These are actually some of the few elevators I've actually taken good still photos of this trip.
These run almost perfectly too. For being in a dead mall that isn't exactly in the greatest shape, they run beautifully.
Classic leveling. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get off at the first floor.
No, let's go back up one more
Okay.
time.
One more time, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
We can go up once more. That's fine. Oh, we're stopping.
We're
anyway.
stopping anyway.
I
Okay.
think I might just. It's really sad, but all good things come to an end.
Alright, yeah, this will be my last ride though. Replace phone. I'm gonna get out here real quick and ding it up here. Take a look at this elevator lobby. And this building is very unique too. It's straight out of the 60s. Look at that old exit stair sign. And look at these old fire alarms, and you got this US mail chute here. Really, really cool. Water fountain is also vintage too. Look at that. All right, we're gonna head back down. Beautiful. Barely a touch up.
When you going back at one more time?
Yeah, I want to hit 2 because I want to see the intermediates.
Go ahead. They are pretty nice, and like I said, it's sad they're about to go bye-bye.
Yeah, these are really cool. Definitely made going out of my way and into this dead mall worth it.
Yeah, it's nice to know that you being here right on the weekend too.
Watch 2 go out. Let me look at the call button. And you got circle touch down here.
Circle touch right there. Switch to my iPhone.
I'm gonna go up one more time since this one already is going up. And I'll end on 1. You going up or down?
Probably not. I'll wait for the other part to go back in.
Okay. Beautiful. And it says Otis up there too. And we are going to get off on the lobby. Watch the lobby button go out. I'm going to see if this does the touch button nuisance mode. Now watch this. They all cancel out.
Really cool.
Very, very cool. And there it goes. That'll be it.
So I actually got a pretty detailed take compared to what I usually get. So I got a round trip on